Good morning, children. Welcome to my computer class. Today we are going to learn about right click. Yes, this is right click. We already know that right click means pressing the right mouse button once and releasing it quickly. What is right click used for? Right click is used to display a list of things we can do with the item, and I will show you how. So children, this is my desktop and I have a folder named images. So when I left click on this, it becomes blue. जब ये blue हो जाता है, इसका मतलब ये select हो गया है. So left click is used to select items like this. Songs पे मैंने क्लिक किया, left click, songs select हो गया, songs folder. And now I am clicking on the images folder, left click, it is becoming blue. So इसका मतलब ये select हो गया है. But today we have to learn about right click. So what I will do, I will right click on this, and when I right click on that folder, images folder, it is showing me a list of things that I can do with this folder. I can open this folder, I can remove the download, whatever is there in the folder, and I can move this folder to my bin. इसका मतलब अगर मुझे इस फोल्डर के अंदर जो भी चीज़ें हैं वो अगर मुझे नहीं चाहिए तो मैं इसको डस्टबिन में मूव कर दूंगी, तो ये मेरे डेस्कटॉप से हट जाएगा. सो देयर आर सो मेनी ऑप्शंस इट इज़ डिस्प्लेइंग that I can do with this folder. And same way, if I click on songs folder, right click, then it is showing me a list of things that I can do with this folder. So I hope you understood that right clicking shows us the list of things that we can do with an item or a folder. Now we will play a computer game to practice right click, and the name of today's game is Catch the Squirrel. So in this game you have to right click on the image of a squirrel. Each time when you will click, the squirrel will change its position. So you have to again move the cursor on the image and right click on it. And now my little guest will show us a small demonstration of this computer game. So let's see.
Hello everyone.
Hello Divisha. What are you doing?
I am playing right click game.
Right click? What is a right click? Can you please show us? Oh, this is right click. Okay, please show us which game you were playing. So, you are clicking on the squirrel with a right click. Can you please once again show us what is a right click? Okay, how to play this game? Click the squirrel with a right click. Okay, can you please minimize the screen? Do you know any other function of the right click?
Right click shows options.
Options? Then okay, click on a folder. Oh wow! It's displaying a list. We can do these things with the right click on the folder. Can you please click on any other folder? Click on MS Teams. Okay, we can resize and install and uninstall the folder. Okay, Jivisha, can you please show us once again the right click? Okay, now continue with your right click games and say bye.
Bye everyone.
So children, I hope you will enjoy the game and improve your right click skills. So that's it for today. Keep practicing. I'll see you in the next class. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you.